Hi and welcome back to our channel. This is Simple Floral Doodles, episode 4. In today's episode, we're just doing something super easy and whimsical, so everyone can follow along. And if you stay to the end, I'll show you how I incorporate this design into one of my planner spreads, and I think it turned out really nice. Here's what I'm using, and I'll link everything in the description below, and of course you can just gather up what you already have. And if you have a certain flower that you would like to see or an idea for us, please leave a comment and we'll do our best to make that happen for you. Thanks for watching, and we would love to see your versions. Please tag us on our Instagram. Till next time, have a wonderful day.